Alright guys, today in this video, we get this John Deere, jeez, it's real blurry, XV20, and it doesn't have spark. Yeah, it got smashed from my brother one time, but there goes my ratchet. So, we replaced the coils and everything. This was a long time ago. No, so I really don't have anything to show you, but a quick tip is up under here, the dash, you got this block that's held in with a plastic screw that's 10 millimeter. It's a 10 millimeter head that fits through that hole. I don't know if you can see it, but it would bolt. Well, you screw in or whatever you want to call it, up in here. This module has failed, and it would not let it spark. It was killing the spark. And if you need the part number, there it is, and you tell. It was 2016 we got this part. So, and this mower was a 2013 model, so this failed at 3 years. Of course, what was weird was the original part was 2 years older than the whole tractor. Yeah, you just unplug that wire. And sorry, it's just a quick video, but you can bolt it up in there somewhere. Oh, it's out of the way. But if you have a John Deere, this is what you want to look for. Part number AM141075. This part is around $60 to $70. It's very expensive, and I can't find anyone who sells aftermarket ones for these. We had to get this from John Deere's website. Yeah, it goes to the key switch, so yeah, it's putting it to ground. Yeah, if your John Deere doesn't start, it's this module. Now, I don't know if it's for just the X series or what, but do not just go order this module if your mower doesn't start, because I don't know if this part will fit your mower. I'll put a link in the description for Taryl's video. I'll subscribe to him. But yep, this module just bolts up there. That causes spark. I don't have the old one. It's weird, but yep, just something to look out for. Alright, well, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.